Okay, estimate the product by rounding. Okay, if you want to estimate for the product for rounding, okay, first step you should do something. What is it? You have to look for the greatest factor. What is the greatest factor, 4 or 94? So actually it will be 94. So I have to estimate here, underline the first digit from left, look after 4. So 4 is less than 5, so stop doing anything. So it will be 90. And here is we multiplied by 4. So you have to drop, because I have zeros, so I have to drop 0. And multiplication table, 4 times 9 will be 36. Okay? And here's, as it is, the same thing. What is the greatest factor? Here is it will be 684. It's the greatest factor. So here is the first digit from left. Look after. So 8, it's more than 5. So it will add 1 for underline digit. So 1 plus 6, 7. The rest of digits will be zeros. Okay, so here is multiplied by 8. So let's make it equal. So I have two zeros, drop them down. Okay, 8 times 7 equals 56. And here we done.